Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to install hexprog in a laptop. First open Chrome, we write here hexprog, HEXPROG, that's hexprog microtronic. We first option we collect, choose. We go to support and download. Okay, we go down. This is auto hex setup. I have a hex pro. Okay, we now select which windows we are using. I have a Windows 732 bit, this one. You have Windows 10, Windows 8, you go down and select this one. Downloading start. Only 22 MB size in the app. Okay, install now success. We go show in folder. Right click, extract here. Now we see this setup win. Double click. Now you're installing in Xprog in PC. Next, accept. Next, 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 next. Install. Also connect your hexprog. Automatically travel install in PC. Don't use 12 volt. Now see, ask me uh, install driver or not. I say yes. Now minimize.